Well, you guys, I might have gave it back to him. He had a 009. I had a 10. He dialed a 776, went a 776 with a 7. I dialed a 686 and with a 687, whomped it. The dial .0043 is what he crossed first. I have to look at my other tickets to see. I think I would have run another. I got to see and look at the numbers and see if I would have been. I would have been dead on. Well, who knows? But I whomped it once. But if I'd have stayed into it, I probably could have got the win, though. Tough call, though. Okay, so that's the end of my day. I'm done. So heading back to Columbus. But a good weekend of racing. Becca's good and consistent. That's what I wanted. And then the points start next weekend at Trails. So she's good to go. Just check over a couple things and then go from there. All right, I'll talk with you guys.